So now let's run the program and see how it goes. So I'm just going to press F9 for short and run the program. So yeah, so enter your grade score. So let's enter maybe 78. So 78 score is A. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to check for your grade score. So in such a way that we're going to prompt the user to enter a number, then check the grade score of that particular number. So without any further ado, let's dive into it, guys. So first, I'll start by creating a new project. Console application. Next, I'm working with C language. Then I'll name this file check grade score. Next. Then I'll leave everything as default. Then finished. So let me make my screen larger a little bit. So come here and let's see. Just going to clear out this. Then clear out this also. So first, we're going to declare our variable an integer value. So I'm going to call that int grade score, which is the variable that is going to store the value for our grade. So next, after declaring my variable, I'm going to prompt the user to enter a number. So printf enter a number, or enter your grade score. Then I'm going to scan the input, scanf %d, because I'm using an integer data type, and the format specifier for an integer is %d. So comma and percent where I'm saving my variable to, which is grade score. So grade score is the variable I declared up here. So whatever the user enter is going to save into the grade score automatically. So now we already have our inputs at hand now. So next is for us to check some certain condition to be met. So first, we're going to check for if the user gets an A. So for A, the value for grade score is range between 70 and less than equals to 100. For somebody to get A in a course, so the value must be between the range of 70 to 100. So now, once that certain condition is met, then we're going to state what we want the program to do. So once the grade score is greater than equals to 70 and the grade score is also less than equals to 100, so we're going to display the number out first. So %d score is A. So come on. So let me quickly explain what is going on here, guys. So first, since we already have our grade score at hand, so we're going to check if the grade score is greater than 70 and grade score is less than 100. So for this condition must be true over here, and this condition must be true over here too. So that's how the AND logical operator works. We only display this once this certain condition here is met. So if only one of these conditions is true, maybe if our grade score is less than 100 and is not greater than 70, it's not going to print out this. It's only going to work when both conditions are met. So Now let's check for the next one, which is a B. So else if my grade score is greater than equals to 60 and my grade score is less than equals to 69. So we're going to display B with F percentage score is B. So we're going to do this for C, D, E, and F. So without me wasting you guys' time, I'm just going to copy this line. Let's go. C should be greater than 50 and less than equals to 59. So this is then 40 should be greater than equals to 44. Sorry, and less than equals to 49. So that's the 5 for E greater than equals to 40 and less than equals to 44. That's it. Let's do this F. F. So F greater than equals to 0 and less than equals to 59. So else is going to be for in case the user enter a negative value which is less than 0 or greater than 100. So I'm going to print out wrong grade score. So let me briefly explain what is going on here again, guys. So first we declared our variable, then we collected the inputs, prompt the user for input, then scanned it and saved our variable into the grade score. So using if else statements, we checked for the conditions and that's what we did here. So now let's run the program and see how it goes. So I'm just going to press F9 for short and run the program. So yeah, so enter your grade score. So let's enter maybe 78. So 78 score is A exactly. So I'm going to just run this again and enter for B, maybe 57, which is C. So 57 score is C. So let's run it again one more time and check for B, which is 67. So B. So now let's check if we enter a value that is less than 0, minus 1. So wrong grade score, right? Yes. How about a value that is greater than 100, maybe 101, wrong grade score. So our program is running. So see, just how many lines of code? 29 lines of code, which is not really much, just because of this curly bracket I opened in a new line. So thanks guys for listening and for watching. Make sure you share this video to your friends offering CS201 C programming language. This is just some basic codes. It's not something big. So thank you guys and see you in the next video.